Hi, do you watch English movies? Do you understand nothing? You hear people talk. It is fast. It sounds like noise. Is this you? Don't worry. Today I have 5 easy ways to help you. After this, you will know what to do. Let's start. Welcome back to Lesson English. I am happy you are here. Listening is hard. This is true for many people. Why? When you read, you can go slow. You can stop. But when you listen, words are fast. They don't wait for you. But listen to this good news. You can get better at listening. It is a skill. You can learn it. Today, I have 5 easy tips for you. You can use them today, right now. Let's go to tip number 1. Tip 1. Listen every day. This is the most important tip. Listen every day. Not one time a week, every day. Why? Your ears need practice. Your body needs exercise. Your ears need this too. Start small. 5 minutes a day is good. Listen to a short video. Listen to an easy song. Listen to a podcast like this one. The important word is every day. Small steps every day make big changes.
Tip 2. Choose easy content. Here's a big mistake. New learners choose hard content. They watch fast movies. They don't understand. They feel bad. Instead, choose easy content. If you understand most of it, that's good. Not too hard. Not too easy. Just right for you. Try kids shows. Try easy podcasts. Try simple videos for learners. These are good for you. They help you feel happy, not sad.
Tip 3. Listen again and again. This tip is very powerful. Many people forget it. Don't listen one time only. Listen to the same video many times. First time, just listen. Get the big idea. Second time, listen again. Get more details. Third time, listen with subtitles. Every time you listen, you understand a little more. This is normal. This is how you learn.
Tip 4. Listen to real sounds. Here is something new for you. In English, words connect together. People don't say every word clearly. For example, what are you doing? This can sound like, what you doing? This is called connected speech. Real people talk fast and mix words together. If you only study book English, this can be hard for you. So listen to real talking, not just slow, clear audio. Notice how words mix together. This helps your ear a lot.
Tip 5. Listen with full focus. The last tip is about how you listen. Full focus means no phone, no noise, just you and the audio. Try this. Listen to a short clip. Then write down what you hear. This is called dictation. It is very good for new learners. It helps your brain listen to every sound. After you write, check your answers, see what you missed. Listen again to that part. This is slow, but it works very well. Okay, let's look at the 5 tips again. 1. Listen every day. 2. Choose easy content. 3. Listen many times. 4. Listen to real, fast sounds. 5. Listen with full focus. Remember, listening takes time. It takes patience. But if you do these 5 things, you will get better. Trust this process. Don't give up. Learning English is a journey. It is not a race. Every minute you listen today helps you understand English better tomorrow. That's all for today. I hope these 5 tips help you listen better. If you like this episode, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, please subscribe to Lesson English. Don't miss the next episode. See you next time. Keep listening. Keep learning. Bye. Bye.